Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Recently, I have celebrated my 7-year anniversary here on YouTube. OMG, I can't believe how time go by fast. 7 years of great Southern cooking. So in honor of my 7-year YouTube anniversary, I'm going to share with all of y'all a sour cream pound cake. And the sour cream pound cake is like the classic pound cake, but with a twist. It is rich, decadent, and full of sour cream goodness. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. It is a down-home and inexpensive cake. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. This will be your go-to recipe. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pound cake recipes playlist and my previous video, moist banana bread. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your sour cream, your flour, and your Bundt pan sugar, because we're about to bake some sour cream pound cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first thing I'm going to do is make up the dry ingredients. We're going to measure up 3 cups of self-rising flour. Going to use my half a cup measurement. Going to fluff it up. Then we're going to level it off. Like so. Perfect half a cup. And we're going to put it into my bowl and sifter. That's 1. Two. And 3. Perfect 3 cups of self-rising flour. So now we're going to sift this together. Or you can whisk it if you like. And also you can use all-purpose flour, just add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. So now we're going to set our flour aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. It's going to make our pound cake super moist. And into our oil, we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Remember, we need lots of sugar when making a pound cake. 5 extra large eggs at room temperature. 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature. And this is my homemade buttermilk recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. A half a teaspoon of pure almond extract. And the star of the show, the sour cream. We're going to add in 1 cup of full fat sour cream at room temperature. And make sure you use full fat sour cream. Don't use the low fat. Really makes a difference. And we're going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well blended. You can also use a hand mixer or a stand mixer if you like. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add in our flour into the wet ingredients. All right, last of the flour. Mix this in. Alrighty, my friends. I'm through mixing up my cake batter, and this is what it looked like. Nice and smooth and luscious. I can smell the almond extract and the vanilla extract. And how simple and easy was that? Easy peasy. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour our batter into our pan. We're going to pour it in the 10-inch Bundt pan, and I spread it with baking spray and flour, or you can grease it with butter and flour. And this is my grandmother's. It's made out of cast iron. And when I make a pound cake using this pan, I think about her every time. All right, here we go. All right, so now I'm going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. Now we're ready to put this cake in the oven. Oven's preheated to 325 degrees. We're going to let it bake for about 90 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my pound cake out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. See how nice and golden brown that is? Alright, so now I'm going to let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes, and then after 15 minutes, I'm going to remove it from the pan and put it onto my cake stand and let it cool completely. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern sour cream pound cake. Now that look good and pretty. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some fresh whipped cream and some fresh blueberries, or you can use strawberries or raspberries, whatever your heart desire. And this is my homemade whipped cream recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, beautiful texture. Look at that. Have a bite. Moist and decadent. It's bursting with flavor. And it just melts in your mouth. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Sour cream, pound cake, licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.